Gad.
Oh, Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be tackling yet another problem of multi-step inequalities. So let's begin. Okay guys, so as we know from previous videos, which I will be linking down below, we have to remember that whenever we have a number and that number is multiplied by a parenthesis, we actually have to use the distributive property in order to be able to, again, distribute or multiply that number for each and every single one of the terms inside the parenthesis. Now, another thing we have to remember is that we want, in inequalities and in equations, we want to leave the variable alone. We want to isolate the variable. Whatever is not that variable, so whatever we move to the other side, to the left or to the right, doesn't really matter. What we're gonna do with that number is that if it's multiplying, we're gonna divide it. If it's adding, it's gonna subtract. If it's subtracting, it's gonna be adding, right? So we have to reverse the operation it's currently doing on one side when we move it to the other side. And that whenever we multiply by a negative number, we actually have to reverse the sign of the inequality, right? So let's try doing that right now. So in this case, we have 3 divided by 2, which is going to, again, be distributed because we have a parenthesis. So it's going to be 3 halves times x plus 3 halves times negative 4. And that is going to be higher or equal to 1 half of x plus 6 minus 5, right? So 3 halves of x, and then we have plus 3 halves of minus 4, right? Which is going to be, here we simplify, and it's going to be 3 times negative 2, which is minus 6. And then we have it higher than 1 half of x, and then plus 6 minus 5. Now let's move all the x's to the left and all the numbers to the right. So we're going to have 3 divided by 2x minus 1 half of x, and that is going to be higher or equal to 6 plus 6 minus 5. Now 3 halves of x minus 1 half of x, right? So we have 3 halves, and we're taking away 1 half. We're just going to get 2 halves, right? So because they are homogeneous fractions, we have 2, and then we have 3 minus 1, right, x, and that is going to be higher or equal to 12 minus 5, which is going to be 7. Now 3 minus 1 is going to be 2 divided by 2x, higher or equal to 7. 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1, so x is going to be equal to 7, because here we have 1, right? So x being higher or equal to 7, how can we graph that? So we have our number line, right? So we have 0, and we have positive 7. And because the 7 is included, we're actually going to color a circle on 7. And then we know that the values are higher, right? So 7, 8, 9, all those values are actually going to satisfy this inequality. So guys, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!